Hey everyone, it's almost time for your second project, so I wanted to record this video to go over the instructions with you and to give you the due dates and hopefully make everything clear to you so that you don't have any questions. Of course, if you do have questions, please ask me. I don't mind answering your questions if I have failed to explain something in the instructions. So what I'm asking you to do is to research legislation that was enacted in an attempt to fight crime. So it could be something like the three strikes you're outlaws. I've listed numerous other ones within the assignment instructions themselves. I want you to identify when it was enacted, what type of offender did it target, meaning does it target those that are charged and convicted of just felonies? What about those that are just violent crimes, or even those that are charged and convicted of drug offenses? So then after you've done that, do your research and determine, has it affected the actual crime rates for the group that it targeted? And if so, how? Is this a practical approach, meaning does it do any good? Is it a responsible use of our resources, such as our tax money? And when you're going through your paper, once you're done and you go back and read it, make sure that you have clearly stated your topic in your introductory paragraph, meaning you've told me what you're going to write about and what I can expect in the paper. Then you're going to also identify where you found the policy, and then when was it written, and remember that you've identified the issue. Also, please discuss the strengths and the weaknesses of the legislation that you have chosen, meaning if you want to say that three strikes and you're out does not have a positive impact on crime rates, then you're certainly entitled to your opinion, but what I want you to do is find research that supports that opinion, but you can't ignore the research that goes against your opinion. And what I'm asking you to do there is to see, basically, does the research change your opinion, and if so, then you will need to explain that as well. Your paper should be a minimum of 3 pages of written content. You should use headings using the Styles tab in Microsoft Word. The submission link will be open on Monday, March 16th, and the project itself is due on Monday, March 23rd. So that gives you a full week to complete the assignment. Also, if you look in the project folder, you'll find links to NC Live, how to access that, how to do APA formatting, because I am asking you to do proper APA formatting this time since you've been exposed to it with the first project. Now, by using those resources that I've given you, you should be able to cite basic, general, your textbook, and then scholarly articles that you find in NC Live. If you have questions that I have not covered here, please post those in the discussion board under the forum that I have open for additional questions about the concepts, because if you have a question, chances are other students have that same question. So again, I welcome your questions and good luck on your project.